Hi there, welcome, Merry Christmas. Santa Helper Prepper 21 here to show you and help you learn permaculture principles. And rather than wasting a lot of time going through episodes one by one, I'm going to put a link into today's notes here and on my website, tonytioldis.com. This manual, Permaculture, a Designer's Manual by Bill Mollison. It's a free PDF on the web. It's what I've used for years as a guide to understand natural patterns, how to fit with them, and be a part of your surroundings rather than be the controller with a lot of things that your lawn doesn't need. To do that, go ahead and get this. Don't forget, we have the superhero comic book giveaway, because doing things like this, you're a hero in my book, and you deserve these. There's a giveaway. Everybody's a winner. Just drop in an entry. And the seeds. The seeds giveaway is turning out to be a lot of fun, but as you can see, I still got a ton more seeds. I've got Morning Glory, I've got French Marigold, I've got Japanese Shiso, I've got Amaranth, Love Lies Bleeding, beautiful, and I also have some Purple Cosmos flowers. So, comic books and flowers, Merry Christmas, come on in, drop in an entry, and at the very least, just go to the link, get your own copy, do a little holiday reading and holiday planting. And by the way, I know where you can get some seeds. Thanks for watching. Get prepared.